Hello and welcome to this introduction video for the vidAvatar AI review. Let's get into the review.
Hello and welcome to this honest review of vidAvatar AI. You've just seen an introduction video that I made with this software. I'm in the sales page, and if you wait long enough, this pop-up comes up and it discounts it from $17 all the way to $11.95. We've also got a coupon code up here to get $2 off vidAva2, and if you use the coupon code admin vidAvatar, then I think you can get 30% off. So anyway, let's talk about this. vidAvatar AI is basically your AI avatar software, but this is obviously a very cheap version of it. Let's look at if this is worth it for you. So I've logged into vidAvatar AI, and we can see here these are two videos that I've already made. One where you get a rectangular person and one where you get a circular person. That's going to be very important a little bit later. So let's go and create a new video. So we need to give our project a title. I'm going to leave it as untitled. We need to pick an avatar. We've got a few avatars here. Charlotte even has a desk. So let's put Charlotte with a desk. And I talked about rectangular and circular. This is where we pick it. Circular just crops in with a circle, so I think rectangular is better. We can pick where they go, center, left or right. Because she's got a desk, it makes sense she goes in the center. We need to pick our language. Now I'm going to pick English, United Kingdom, because I'm from the UK, and it defaults to Bella's voice, which is good. It seems to filter it at least by gender, but I'm going to go for Holly. Now we can upload our own background, and if we click on this, we get the option to upload a background image file. And the ones we have that come with it are this live on air, and on air. So maybe picking Charlotte for something that isn't newsroom doesn't quite work, but let's go with it anyway. So let's just type something in. Now I don't know what the emotional markup is, but it's disabled. Normally with AI avatars in some of the softwares you can change the tone and the expression, and you normally do that by putting in different markup language. Now normally there's a way to do that quite easily. You click on some buttons like a pause button and it inserts it in the right place. If I enabled this, I have no clue of how to do this, so I'm just going to keep it disabled, but potentially there is the option to do that, although it is not explained at all. So now I've typed in my script, I'm going to click generate video. Now my video is in the queue and I've been told to check back in 30 minutes. So here is my video, it's processing. While it's processing, let's look at what else we've got. We have this where we can ask an AI some questions and get some answers. Now, I've recently done a video of TalkFlow AI where I said it was absolute rubbish, and this looks pretty much like TalkFlow AI, and it's made by the same people as TalkFlow AI. So TalkFlow AI I thought was absolute rubbish, and I advise you not to get it. So I'm not going to go into this at all. AI logo, so I'm going to type painting channel and let's see what we get. But this isn't going to give me a logo. This is probably going to give me text. If it does give me a logo, I'll be very surprised. I take it all back. It has given me a logo that I can download. So I do apologize. It gives me a logo. This AI title, we can write a description and it gives a title. We're going to have 400 as a maximum length, one result, good creativity and a professional tone. So let's see what happens. So this is quite difficult to read, but it says typing. Now, last time I used this, it just didn't do anything. This time it's done something fantastic. It's given me a title. AI description is much the same thing. You give it a title, it gives you a description. Now, this AI thumbnail is very misleading because if we click on this, then we go to this generic thumbnail creator or photo editor that all these softwares give you. This is nothing, there's no AI to this. This is just a very simple web-based program where you can effectively import an image or search for an image, put some text on it and some shapes and then download it. This is not an AI tool. And AI tags is going to be exactly the same as the other ones. You type in the description, it should give you tags. I'm not going to bother to look for it. Not sure why I would want a professional tone for tags, but I'm going to go back to my AI avatar maker. So we're going to come back when this video has processed.
Hello, my name is Charlotte and I am an AI avatar. I like to read the news and do weather forecasts. Don't forget to subscribe to the Big G Video YouTube channel.
So you've just seen that video of Charlotte. Let me know in the comments if it's any good. I'm now going to sum up my conclusion, but rather than me do it, I've got a AI avatar to do it. So I've uploaded a video background of an office and I've used James and I've typed some stuff in. So here is my conclusion. So I've gone to all that trouble to type out a script, so on and so forth. And when I click on generate video, it tells me that I've just created a video. I need to wait 20 minutes before I can make a new video, as though it's saying, well, you've just made one. What do you want to make another one for? If you buy this sort of service, you're going to want to make several videos and not have to wait 20 minutes between making videos. So for that reason, I don't think this is a good service and I cannot recommend it. Now, if I get the conclusion video to work, I may have given up having to wait 20 minutes, then I will put this at the end of this conclusion that I'm doing so that you can hear it for yourself and see what it's like. But unfortunately, having to wait between making videos, 20 minutes.
So what do I think of vidAvatar AI? It is okay and it seems to do the job. It's not as advanced as other AI avatar services, but it can be bought for $12. You have to wait 20 minutes between making videos, so this makes the service not very good. The other features are nothing that you cannot find elsewhere and don't add a lot of value, but if you have a very low budget and wish to make AI avatar videos using text-to-speech, then this is an option, only as long as you can wait 20 minutes before making another video.